Hi! Welcome to Mommy Jen's Kitchen. Thanksgiving is coming, so let's make a juicy roast buttered turkey. Here's what we need. 12 to 14 pounds of turkey, clean and rinse with the cool water, and pat dry with paper towels. So we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and make a butter sauce. We're gonna use this to marinate the turkey. 3 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon ground black pepper, half teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. I forgot to include it in the video. Turn on the stove in a medium heat, and then in the pan, let's pour the chicken broth. We're gonna add the garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and the lemon juice. Stir it. Then after stirring, don't forget we need also to add the butter. I built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids. Then we'll just gonna leave it in the stove and let it simmer until the butter melt. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you... And of course we should not forget that we also need to stir it. Then wait until it boils. For boiling process, it's only take 1 to 2 minutes. Once this is done, you have to let it cool down first before we're gonna use it to inject into the turkey. Now that our butter sauce is already cooled down, we're gonna start injecting it into the turkey. I do have here a meat injector. You can always get it online, or you can get it in the store, any stores. Then just inject it into the different spot of the turkey. Don't forget also the back of the turkey, so flip it over and then inject the back. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around. Now that we're done injecting the butter sauce to the turkey and we still have some leftover butter sauce here, so we just need to rub this whole thing to the turkey. Marinate the turkey for 5 hours, or you can do it overnight in the fridge. Don't forget to cover it with clear wrap. Okay, our turkey is been marinating for overnight.
Feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around.
Okay, for the second process of our turkey, we need 3 to 4 oranges. We're gonna put these oranges inside of the turkey cavity. We also need the orange zest and orange juice, and also 1 tablespoon soy sauce.
It's the time of year, winter wonderland.
Soy sauce will add a little bit of saltiness to the turkey, and also it will add color to the turkey. So we're just gonna spoon this to the entire turkey, and then we're gonna use, you can rub it by using your hands, or you can use a brush to brush it to the entire turkey skin.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why
Then let's put some orange zest.
a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here.
Then let's squeeze the orange juice to the whole turkey.
I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good.
Let's slice the remaining oranges, and then we're gonna fill the turkey cavity with these oranges. Some other people use vegetables like carrot, celery, onion for cooking the turkey, placing it inside of turkey cavities, but I want to be different. I want to use the oranges, and let's see what will be the taste. Because I remember every time we roast in the Philippines, we use oranges inside of the chicken. So I want to try this recipe, or if not the oranges, we use tamarind. Tamarind is like a sour taste, and we don't have tamarind here in the US, so I decided to use oranges.
My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around.
Okay, I do have a string in here. I think it's a pink or beige color string. So we're gonna tie the legs together, and the wings should be folded at the back. But maybe we'll try it. What will happen if we're gonna also tie the wings together at the front, not in the back? I got these two kind of like a needle with a loop on the end, and we're gonna use this to place the legs and wings.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find
So
time to sleep.
we're just gonna tie these legs together, and then use that loop. We're gonna loop that in here, and then make a knot. So our turkey will be in position while it's roasting inside of the oven.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
Unwrap in a shallow roasting pan. We're gonna place the turkey in here, but as you can see, my turkey pan got a lot of foil. It's covered with foil because in this system, it's easier for me to clean the pan once I'm done roasting, because the turkey will not stick in here and the juice will not dry and stick on my pan. Alright, so we're gonna place the turkey in on our pan, breast side up. Yeah, just like this. And then it's kind of funny looking because the wing shoe is supposed to be at the back, but we'll try this. Sometimes better to try something new. And cover turkey with foil. Then we're gonna bake our turkey for 325 degrees. It's already preheated, so let's go ahead and place it inside. We're gonna roast it for 3.5 to 4 hours, but for now we're gonna put the timer to 1 hour because after 1 hour we have to remove the foil. Okay, for the turkey decoration on the sides, we need some potatoes. So for these smaller potatoes, we're gonna cut it into half. Just half for the small one, and kind of like this kind of big, so you can cut it into 3 pieces. Just like this also, or 4 pieces like this. Okay? And then what we need is brush it with olive oil. Let's cover the whole potato with olive oil. Let's sprinkle some of salt, then dill, and also thyme. Okay, we're gonna cook this red potato together with the turkey. We're gonna place this potato inside of the oven 1.5 hours before turning off the oven. Need to cover this with foil. Okay, then let's put this aside for now. Okay, 1 hour is over. Let's go ahead and remove the foil. Then we're gonna brush it with olive oil. Every hour, we're gonna brush it with olive oil or the juice that's coming out from the turkey. Okay, let's close it and keep cooking it. Okay, we do have 1 hour and 33 minutes left, so we can put now the red potato inside of the oven. So just let's put back again the foil, and then we're gonna place it underneath of the turkey, and let's cook it until the turkey is done. Just don't forget to brush the turkey with olive oil or the juice from the turkey.
It's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure
Okay, the timer is over, so we have to check the turkey. The turkey's temperature should be 180 degree Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and check the turkey with our thermometer if it is fully cooked. Alright, almost there. Keep going, almost there. Alright. Ding 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 ding. It's 180 degree Fahrenheit. We're good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the turkey and also our red potatoes. And let's go ahead and serve this. Oh no, we cannot serve it yet. We have to remove the string. We need to remove the string, and we need to remove some of those oranges inside. Here's now our turkey with final decoration. I put some red apples there too. I hope you like it. Happy Thanksgiving! One more month, 2021 is coming, so God bless the whole world. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. God bless!